Hi viewers, I am Akansha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am pursuing PhD from IIT Patna. I did MTech from NIT Jalandhar. Today I will discuss conversion of two flip-flops. All we know SR, JK, D, T flip-flop. SR flip-flop I have already discussed, so please see that video before watching this video. There is a need to change one flip-flop to another like SR to JK, JK to D flip-flop simply by adding some gates. There is a procedure to change flip-flop. Write the truth table. For required flip-flop, the table must be extended with given flip-flop input. Given flip-flop input. Columns must be filled with the help of excitation table of the given flip-flop. Find the Boolean expression given flip-flop input in terms of required flip-flop inputs and Qn. Draw the logical diagram. So, I will discuss conversion of SR to JK flip-flop. This is the truth table of JK flip-flop. When we are giving 0 0, then we can get previous input. After that, when we are giving 0 1 as a input, then we can get as 0 0 in next stage. When we give 1 0, then we can get as 1 1, which is set state. When we give 1 1 as input, then we can get as toggle of previous state. If it is 0, then we can get 1. If it is 1, then we can get 0. Then according to this truth table, we can write the excitation table of the SR flip-flop. When we give 0 0, then we can get as 0, don't care. When we give Qn and Qn plus 1 as 1 1, then we can get as don't care 0. Similarly, we can get this table. After that, where we can get 1 1 and don't care, then we can find the minterm expression 4 and 5, and in don't care there is a 1 and 5. Then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then put this value in this K map. Then we can find as S is equal to J Qn bar. Where it is 1, we put the values, and where it is don't care, we consider this place. To find this expression, this is the equation of R, minterm of M, 3, 7 and don't care in place of 0 and 2 position. As R is equal to K Qn, S is equal to J Qn bar and R is equal to K Qn. So it is a logic diagram of this. Watching till now, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you can get latest video. Next question is convert T flip-flop to JK. So firstly write the truth table of required flip-flop. Required flip-flop is JK. So write the truth table of JK flip-flop. When we give input as 0 0, then we can get output in previous state. When we can give input as 0 1, then it is a reset state. If we give input as 1 0, then we can get as set state. If we give input as 1 1, then we can get as toggle state, which if it is 0, then we can find as 1, and if it is 1, we can find as 0. After that, the table must be extended with given flip-flop input. Given flip-flop input columns must be filled with the help of excitation table of given flip-flop. With the help of Qn and Qn plus 1, we can write the excitation table of T flip-flop. Previous state is 0 and next state is 0. Then T flip-flop gives 0. You can also see this. Here it is 0 and here it is 1. Then we can get output as 1. Otherwise, this table gives as 0. Then we can find the Boolean expression of given flip-flop in terms of required flip-flop. Is 1 in place of third and fourth and 6 and 7. Then put this value in this K-map 1, 1 and 1, and here is also 1. Then we can make a group of this and this, and next one is this and this. Then we can find the equation as K Qn plus J Qn bar. This is a logic diagram of T to JK flip-flop. T is equal to K Qn and J into Qn bar. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.